So we're making nut butter today, and I am now eating a lot of walnut butter. Walnuts are so good for you. But making it out of pure walnuts it's just a little strong for me. So I'm cutting it with cashews, raw cashews. Anyway, so I've got the balance down, and it is 2.5 to 1. That's the perfect ratio for me. So I use 1 part cashews, and I buy the pieces. There's no reason for me to buy the fancy whole ones. And walnuts, raw of course, halves and pieces. And then a 1/4 teaspoon per cup of nuts. I think I'm doing this off the top of my head. So we'll taste it and make adjustments. So again, this is not by the 1/2 cup, but that's the measure I'm using today. Actually, I'm going to switch to a cup. I really like this stuff, and I was waiting to make a decent sized batch for the video for you guys. So I'm going from a 1/2 cup now to a cup. So a lot of people, me included, eat a lot of almond butter, but the skins contain some leptins, I think it is. Either lectins or leptins that I don't want to put in my system because I'm prone to inflammation. And they exacerbate it. So somebody said, well, just blanch them. It's like, no. Yeah, I know that's an option, but I spend enough of my time making my own food that I'm not going to add the blanching and peeling of almonds. So if I would like salt, if I would like to have some almond butter, then I'll just buy blanched almonds and go for that from there. Let's see. So we're gonna, it would now be a 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. I do not use regular table salt and encourage you to do the same. I do not use sea salt because of the possibility of contamination. There is a brand called Redmond's that is guaranteed to be free of contaminants. So you can buy that, but I want to keep using Himalayan pink salt. All right, I'm gonna blend and I will be back. This is in process, and it does get I'm hung up on the blade. Okay. The machine can get a little bogged down. This is twice what I typically do. But you know what? I also add MCT oil to my finished product. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. It just makes it even better for you. This is probably about 1.5 teaspoons. And we'll see how much I end up actually adding. this would work. We've got cashew walnut butter. But I'm going to add another teaspoon and a half MCT oil, which makes a tablespoon total for this amount. All right, so the salt, it's a half a teaspoon per cup of nuts. So I've added an entire teaspoon of salt to this mix. Now, I do like things a little saltier than some people, but the particular salt that I use is full of minerals. So I'm going with it. You get to do what you want to do, whatever is right for you. So we're going to blend this again. And this machine's pretty quiet too. And there you go. This is the perfect consistency for me. And less expensive than when you buy it already blended. All right. If you get anything out of my videos, please like. I love your comments. I respond to everyone. And subscribe to my channel. Plus, you can even ask me to create a video on something that you're wondering about or want my take on. All right, have an awesome day.